Mike Sherm dropped a single and I thought it was gonna be fire, and it's not. Next up is Hot Boy by Lil Baby and Nardo Wick. Okay, off to a good start. Song's gotta be fire. Secured it literally 34 minutes later, but it's fine. Taste test. Drinking my coffee, and I'm just do some homework and studying that I need to get done. I have 3 tests this week, so I have a lot of studying to do. One of the frats here is having YBN Nahmir perform tonight, so we're gonna go obviously see that. He's from Birmingham originally, but I think he lives in California now. We have songs that literally take me back to like 2019, like it's pretty nostalgic. I don't know. This stuff is so pigmented. Selena killed it. I think I'm moving pretty snappy. It's a little heart. Dirty. Go away, girl, go. It was amazing. You literally met him. You can look It's so pretty out today. Don't mind my ratchet phone screen. Where is he? So another one of the frats is having Rich the Kid perform Instagram. Alabama. He's here. I'm just so excited. Gonna freaking die. I'm in black again. You wouldn't even know it's a different night. All I wear. Black dress. And then this. When they don't know Rich the Kid. Awkward.
You can get your bitch back. Call me on my phone, I don't say shit. I'ma introduce you to the plug. Daddy, I don't even know her mama. She gon' do it with the thug take your body. From the bottom, but I made it. Get this shit, you better shake it. Get it rude. 1, 2, 3, I'll be no shame on you. Never get out the truth. See another time on the weekend.
home now. That was actually so much fun seeing Rich the Kid and YBN Nahmir in the same weekend. This school never fails to amaze me. Like, it was so much fun, except for the parts that like where all the drinks were getting spilled on all of us and they were spraying champagne on us and it was getting in our eyes, and we just had to move past that. Performed all the classics and his new single that just came out. Tomorrow, workout, reset, and get back to schedule because I have 3 tests to study for now, so that's really fun. Hope you guys enjoyed coming along. Definitely one of my favorite weekends this semester.